If you are a person working harder and ready to sacrifice everything in your life to achieve a dream, then you must watch this video. Learn a new skill, work hard, be sincere. This is what all the books, schools, colleges, and even the society is telling us from childhood. Let me share with you a quick story that will reveal you the exact reason why you should stop improving yourself. Meet Mr. Nick. He was born in a regular family. Nick's dad was one of the known businessmen in the city, owning a famous fruit shop. His dad made a bunch of money through good sales and the shop was always crowded by customers. Nick mostly spent his weekends at the shop because he loves assisting his dad. As like every parents, Nick's dad and mom want him to be a successful person. So they joined him in one of the reputed schools in the city. Nick went to school daily with his dad in the fancy car. Nick got everything he wanted in his life, so he was extremely happy. After a few years, Nick went to his father's shop. It was less crowded. He found many people went to the supermarket. He wanted to know the reason, so he asked his dad, "Dad, why is everyone visiting the supermarket instead of visiting our shop?" His dad said, "Because the supermarkets can easily attract the customers by giving large discounts. We are small in size, so we couldn't give the discounts as they do." At the age of 12, Nick couldn't understand the complete business strategy behind the supermarket concept. But he realized one thing, that the shop was not running as before. Over time, due to the domination of supermarkets, Nick's dad couldn't even afford the shop rent with little sales. So he decided to close the shop and settle all the loans by selling their home and car. Their entire family shifted to a small rental house, and his dad started working as a sales representative in a textile company. Above all these issues, Nick was shifted to a government-funded school to continue his studies. He traveled to school by school bus, since the old school that he studied before is located on the same route, so he can see that reputed old school and other students arriving school by car. Nick has seen a dramatic change in his family. Although he is small and immature, Nick could feel the poverty in his life. Nick strongly believed that the lack of money is the reason for all these sufferings, and he thought money is the only way for happiness. So he deeply wanted to become a rich businessman. From the day Nick became more sincere in his studies and passed high school with good grades. To pursue his businessman dream, he joined in business degree. He spent most of his time reading business magazines, articles and books to improve himself. While his classmates were enjoying the party, he spent his time for self-development. While others stayed with their girlfriend on weekends, he did his part-time jobs at local shops to support his dad financially. His desire to become a successful businessman was so extreme, and it kept him awake all night by thinking about the potential opportunities. After graduation, he got his first job as assistant business administrator in one of the reputed companies in his city with highest pay. Nick's family was so happy and excited about his high-paying job due to his hard work and commitment. In a few years, he was promoted as chief business administrator with excellent benefits. Nick owned everything he wanted. The family moved to a luxury apartment and he bought one of the modern fancy cars. By the age of 26, Nick married a beautiful girl, Andrea. She was so caring, supportive towards Nick. They both had similar interests in life. Andrea took care of Nick's dad and mom more than him. In 2 years, as a gift to their relationship, Nick and Andrea has been blessed with 2 cute babies. Their life turned into heaven. Nick wanted to give everything to his babies that he missed in his life, so as to give the best lifestyle to his children and to fulfill his biggest dream of becoming businessman. Nick decided to start his own management consulting firm. Nick quit his job and started working harder to develop his own business. Nick spent all his time devising business strategy and to increase the number of clients. After all the struggles for around 5 years, in the age of 33, Nick's company has become one of the leading management consulting firms in Europe. Nick was not satisfied with the name of leading company in Europe. He wanted to start branches all over the world. In few years, he started branches in many countries. As the company grew, his responsibility increased, and almost 20,000 employees worked at Nick's firm. One day, while he was at the business meeting, Nick was suddenly fainted. After the clinical evaluation, the doctor diagnosed and confirmed the occurrence of variant Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease to Nick, which is a form of fatal brain disorder that leads to a rapid decrease in movement and loss of mental function. The disease, which has no proven cure so far and for which the prognosis is very poor. Usually, in 6 months from the onset of symptoms, The CGD patients would experience dementia and they do lose the ability to care for themselves. Death occurs usually within 8 months by infection and heart failure. Nick couldn't believe the information passed by the doctor and he wished it to be a nightmare. The doctor said you should be emotionally strong and prepare to live your rest of life happily. Nick had the weird feeling that amplified from his stomach to the whole body, which he never felt that before. While he was returning back from hospital, there were hundreds of thoughts blowing into his mind. The business meeting with the few of the leading companies is scheduled for the week. Plan for opening new branches in Washington and New York is almost complete and yet to be signed. He had so many things incomplete. Though he has branches across Europe, luxury lifestyle, thousands of employees working for him, Nick felt totally unsuccessful. Not only Nick, most of us are committing this mistake. You are leading your life by believing that success is only way for happiness. Passing school with high grades, get degree from reputed university, work for your best company, earn 6 figures income, own a modern fancy car and home. This is how all our life looks and all our plan starts. You never analyzed what really matters and what gives really fulfillment. I want you to live your life happier without any regrets. In my perspective, to live your life without any regrets, I have 2 simple and most important ideas. The first thing is create moments that really fulfills your soul's desire. It could be like experiencing love, spending time with your family and friends, doing little things that makes you really happy, traveling around the world, etc. Consider living a better life by being a better father, better husband, better friend, better boss and even better mentor, etc. Because only these things can make you emotionally happy. The second thing is give as much as possible back to the world without counting on it. It could be like volunteering in your community, teaching others on things that you have specialized. If you know how to cook well, then teach others to cook on their own. If you know how to develop your business, then help others to build their business. Because at the end of the day, it's not about what you have or even what you have accomplished. It's about who you have lifted up, who you have made better, and what you have given back. Do not consider that 6-figure income and high-paying job as your life. Instead, just perceive it as a way to doing things that really matters to you. Start doing things that really fulfills your soul. I'm sure if you remember my 2 secrets, you won't regret your life no more. Check out my last video. You are the reason for your poverty. If you enjoyed this video, hit a like and share with your friends. Do subscribe for more videos. I will see you in the next one.